Adding pictures to your SurveyMonkey surveys can enhance their visual appeal and engagement. Here's a step-by-step guide to adding images. Log into SurveyMonkey. Go to SurveyMonkey's website and log into your account. Create or edit a survey. Start a new survey by clicking Create Survey or select an existing one from your dashboard. Add or edit questions. Navigate to the survey editor and select the question where you want to add an image or add a new question where the image will be included. Insert an image. Click on the question or answer choice where you want to place the image. In the editing options, look for an image icon or Add Image button. Upload image. Click on the Add Image button. You'll be prompted to upload an image file from your computer. SurveyMonkey supports various image formats, including JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Adjust image settings. After uploading, you can resize or reposition the image as needed. You may also add a caption or description if required. Save your changes. Click Save or Update to apply the changes. Make sure to preview your survey to ensure the image appears correctly. Repeat for additional images. Repeat the process for any additional images you want to include in other questions or sections of your survey.